Welcome everyone. We are here today with a very special guest that has completed her program here at Red River Wellness. So tell me, Hilda, what brought you here to Red River Wellness?
Well, after more than 26 years dealing with diabetic problems, and on top of that, heart problems, and tired of taking so much medication, I decided to look for a different place. That's how I got to Red River Wellness Center.
Great. So what were your expectations coming here?
Well, I was thinking, it's gonna be great 21 days that I could rest and have some peace and learn about nutrition, nice therapies, and some exercises.
How is your actual experience compared to what you expected?
Since the beginning, I was very impressed with the sister that picked me up from the airport. She was so nice. I could see in her face totally a different person than a regular person. As soon as I got here, I was really sure that this was the place that I was looking for.
So our focus here is a holistic healing, physical, mental, and spiritual. How this approach impacted you personally?
It's amazing. I mean, all the help that I've been receiving is starting from my health that is a lot better. And when I got here and I was told that I don't need to take my diabetic, it was kind of difficult to trust, but now I could tell that it was the best thing that ever happened, because I've been here and I don't need to use it, and I've been with a lot more energy than I was in a long time. But I have never ever received the God in my heart the way that I've been receiving it here, because as I know now, this is based in Seventh Adventist Church. I love to see that the word is being teaching directly from God's word. And yes, ever since the first day that I received the word from Pastor Ramon, this word has really been getting in my heart, and it's been helping me to clear things that I knew they were affecting me, but I didn't even know where to start or how to seek any help. I feel like it's like when you just are dating somebody and you just wanted to see him all the time. That was how I feel basically in my relationship with God. And like I asked Brother Chris if he can find me some at Seventh Adventist Church in Las Vegas, because I really want to continue learning and improving in my Christian life, and I dream to take all my family with me as well.
If someone is struggling with their health or seeking a deeper sense of purpose, would you recommend Red River Wellness? And if so, why?
100%, because when I was back at home, I used to tell my family that I feel like I was an 80-year-old person. In just less than 21 days, I feel younger than I am. I have a lot more energy. I am active all the time. I don't feel tired or sick. I haven't used any medications. So, and I also have I witnessed other kids here with cancer, with high blood pressure, with different sickness, and I saw how their life has changed. So if you're struggling there and taking all this medicine, wasting hundreds and thousands of dollars, don't hesitate. Come and try Red River. Your life will be totally changed.
Thank you for sharing. And we want to invite anyone, because God has many blessings for you. So as she shared her experience, and like I mentioned before, we are blessed every time that we hear how the Lord works. And I know that the Lord can help you too. God bless.